All right, my lovely food lovers, let's have a proper chat about rice. In India, rice isn't just a side dish, it's the heart of the meal. You've got tons of different kinds, each with its own personality. Sona Masuri, short and chubby, popular down south. Parboiled rice gets a steamy spa treatment before it reaches your kitchen. Brown rice keeps its lovely fiber jacket on. It's a whole world of grains, a festival of flavors and textures. But today, the spotlight's on a real superstar, Basmati. This isn't just any old grain. Basmati is special, long, slender grains, grown in the foothills of the Himalayas. When cooked, it doesn't get clumpy or sticky. It fluffs up. Each grain stands proud and separate. That nutty, almost floral aroma, incredible. The smell gets your tummy rumbling before a bite. We'll get right into why this rice is delicious and a smart health choice. What makes rice different? It's in how it's grown, how it's milled, and its unique makeup. Some varieties cook up heavy and stodgy. They can leave you feeling full, maybe sluggish too. Others, like Basmati, feel light and lovely. They satisfy without weighing you down. Let's dive into the science. Right then, the nitty-gritty, but keep it simple. Why does Basmati get the gold star for health? A big part comes down to the glycemic index, or GI. It's how quickly a food raises your blood sugar after eating. Some white rices are high on this scale. Quick sugar rush, then a crash. But good quality Basmati is low to medium GI. Brilliant news. Energy released slowly and steadily. Fuller for longer, fewer sugar spikes. Smarter, more balanced carbs. Now, how rice feels in your belly. Ever felt heavy or bloated after a meal? Sometimes rice type is the culprit. Short grain rices have lots of amylopectin. Amylopectin makes grains stick and clump, dense feeling. Basmati has more amylose. Amylose keeps long grains fluffy and separate. Amylose digests more slowly, steadier energy. Feels lighter, cleaner, kinder on digestion. Simple as that. Fiber, your gut's best mate. Most white rice loses the fibrous bran, but brown Basmati keeps the bran. Brown Basmati, while more fiber, vitamins and minerals. Fiber keeps digestion moving and increases fullness, less overeating. From the ground up, good food starts with good farming. Basmati has a story rooted in tradition. This isn't a grain that's just thrown together. For centuries, farmers in the plains at the foot of the Himalayas have been perfecting the art of growing it. They know the exact right time to sow the seeds. They know how to manage the water from the mountain rivers. They know precisely when to harvest, to ensure every single grain is perfect. This isn't just agriculture. It's a craft passed down through generations. That care protects the unique long grain shape. It preserves the delicate texture, and it keeps that signature, beautiful aroma. It's real, honest food, grown with passion. Because this rice is so special, it needs protecting. That's where quality marks come in, your best friend when shopping. Look out for a geographical indication, or look for the GI tag on the packet. Think of it as a certificate of authenticity, a promise the rice was grown in its traditional homeland, under strict standards. Like how real champagne only comes from Champagne, France. A GI tag means you're not getting a cheap imitation. You're getting proper top-drawer Basmati. It's a guarantee of origin. It's a guarantee of quality. It's a guarantee of that incredible flavor. Always check the packet for these little seals of approval. You might also see other quality marks like ISO certification. Cooking Basmati to fluffy perfection is easy. First, rinse your rice until the water is almost clear to wash away excess starch. Use 1 part rice to 1.5 parts water. Bring to a boil, then cover and simmer on low for 10-12 minutes. Let it stand off the heat for another 5 to 10 minutes. Then, fluff with a fork. Perfect fluffy Basmati. Job done. So, the conclusion is clear. When you're in the rice aisle, Basmati is a fantastic bet. With its lower glycemic index, it gives you a slow, steady release of energy, and it feels lighter in your stomach. For maximum nutrients, go for brown Basmati. If you prefer white rice's texture, a quality white Basmati is your winner. Just look for those all-important GI tags and quality marks. Your guarantee you're getting the real deal. Happy cooking!